Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious teriyaki chicken wing recipe. I don't those look absolutely delicious. Hey, let's get in the game, fam. All right, fam, this is what we're working with today. We got 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. Now I'm not gonna cut these up so we can get in the game quick. We're gonna keep these whole so you get the best of both worlds. You get the drums and the flats, pick your poison. Then we got our teriyaki sauce that we're gonna be making. So the ingredients will be in the description box below. Grab your ingredients because we got to get in the game for the big game. Right. If you want to go overnight and dry brine these in some salt, get them extra crispy, right? But be honest with you, just cook them a little longer. That'll save you a little time so you don't have to wait that 24 hours. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go in with some Baptize and Cajun seasoning. Now, if you don't have my seasoning yet, hey, go and get you a bottle of it and use that promo code I'm in the game and get 25% off on your order. Now, I do like a little kick. This is going to provide a little kick for me. It's not going to be like overpowering, but it's going to give us a nice little boost there. Now, fam, I got these seasoned where I want them to be. I'm going to let these chill out for a minute while we let our oil come up to temp 375 degrees. And I know you notice I got my cafeteria lady gloves on today. I cut myself at work, and plus I didn't have my black gloves, and they get so much hate on the internet. So cafeteria lady gloves we got. Let's get in the game. We're gonna make this teriyaki sauce first, and then we're gonna dip these in that hot oil, and we're gonna be in the game. Now we're gonna make this delicious teriyaki sauce. We're going in with some brown sugar, soy sauce. We got some rice vinegar, some sesame oil, and then I got me some garlic. I'm also gonna go in with some fresh ginger. Be working over medium heat. I'm gonna add my cornstarch slurry in as this heats up. And we want to get everything mixed. And when your sauce gets thick, hey, you can go ahead and remove it from the heat. Hey, like that right there. Hey, yes, sir. We're gonna drop these chicken wings in this oil. And we're gonna let them go. Now, you know your wings are done when they start floating to the top. Now, I am using peanut oil in this recipe. Peanut oil is my go-to, and then canola oil is my second go-to for frying chicken wings. Now, we're gonna drop our last batch. Now, you can also fold, your tips of your wings back like this, still be in the game. While we let that other batch do its thing, hey, this is what you're looking for right here. Now, cook your wings however you like them to the level of crispiness that you want. Hey, I went about 17 minutes on these. Hey, they look good. Hey, they're gonna be delicious. We're gonna be in the game. Again, fam, the rule of thumb is if they floating, they ready to go. Now, you can let them go again to your level of crispiness that you want them. We're gonna get these out. We're gonna sauce them up. Wanna get our wings in there. And then we got our teriyaki sauce that we're gonna drizzle over like that. If you want a thinner sauce, hey, you can use a little bit less of that slurry mixture. But for me, I like a sticky, thick teriyaki sauce. Now let's toss these wings. Yes, sir. Hey, yes, sir. I know some people don't like, saucy wings, but I like saucy wings, fam. Hey, let me plate these up. Hey, we about to be. Hey, Super Bowl is next week. Hey, hit me in the comments. Hey, let me know who you rolling with. Are we flying Eagles? Or are we going with them Kansas City Chiefs? Now, I'm going with this absolutely delicious teriyaki chicken wing. Now, you already know I got to get me a taste test. Hey, I'm going to go for this drum. Like I said, you got the best of both worlds. So you want drums, you want flats. Hey, however you want it. But we in the game. Now, fam, that's absolutely delicious right there. I love me a saucy wing. Win the game. That's delicious. Hey, let me get cleaned up real quick. Win the game. Hey, that's what I love about my saucy wings. Hey, you get all messy, but it's absolutely delicious. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like my content, hey, go ahead, smash that like button. Don't forget to also smash that subscribe button and tell your family and friends that Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. And for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to get in the game and smash into these teriyaki wings. And we'll see you guys on the next recipe. We're in the game.